So we've come across the Hotbin Composting stand, so we're going to get an explanation of the product.
So we're at the Garden Press event today, and this is Hotbin. So it's designed to be a continuous composter. You keep adding your waste to the top and remove the compost when it's ready from the bottom. You've also got that added benefit that you can draw off the liquid fertiliser and use that in your garden as well. So the benefit of hot composting is that it allows you to compost quicker, but it can also add in other types of waste, so things like weeds and pet waste, and at the higher temperatures it will kill off the pathogens and the weed seeds in that waste as well. So we've got a variety of sizes. We start at the Hotbin Mini, which is 100 litres, the Hotbin 200 litres, and then we've also got our megas as well. So they're designed for more larger gardens or allotments, and designed to act like a hot batch composter. So they're manufactured and made in the UK, and they're actually 96% air, so there's not a lot of material in there at all. So they're very lightweight, and yeah, very good for getting rid of your waste and making some good quality compost in your garden.